Hello guys, welcome back to another video of data engineering with Animesh, and we are going to solve our sixth problem in our Pandas lead code series. So let's get started. So the question is calculate special bonus. So there's only one table or one data frame employees where employee ID, name and salary are the columns. Employee ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table indicates the employee ID, employee name and salary, a very basic data frame. Write a solution to calculate the bonus of each employee. The bonus of an employee is 100% of their salary if the ID of the employee is an odd number and the employee name doesn't start with M. So suppose if the ID is 3 and the name is Rajesh, he will get the 100% of their salary. So return the result table ordered by employee ID. So now let us see the example quickly. So these are the examples where input is the employee table, output is given. Suppose for the ID 7, we are getting 100% of their bonus. So ID 7 is odd and name is Edlin. Okay. Now we will try to solve this DB to get a data frame to get the output. The first thing is we have to get a new column with a name bonus. So how you do that in Pandas? It is very simple. Employees, new column name and assign our initial value which I'm doing as 0. So suppose if I return at this point, you will see my data frame is added with a new column and all the values in that column as of now is 0. So this is another very important concept at how to see, add another column. See, a column bonus is added. Now first part is done. We have got this column. Now other part is for every row where the condition is satisfied, we have to equate this column, this bonus column with salary or assign the salary value to this bonus column. How you do that? So we will use log for this log function dot log, which helps to assign the values in a particular column depending upon the condition in other column of that row. So suppose we have to get employees of employee underscore ID modulo 2 is not equal to 0. So this is one condition that we have to satisfy. So log will take care of that only for those column bonus would be assigned the given value where these conditions are satisfied. And how you check if the name starts with M? Very simple. Just give employees, then name dot str dot starts with. I think you would have came across this function in Python or so. So dot M. Okay, so this will check if the name starts with M, but we have to check if the name doesn't start with M. So just put a negate sign and this is done. And which column you want to enter the value? That is bonus column. And what value you want to assign? The value in the salary column. So see, this is very simple. I know bit lengthy instruction, but a simple one. So see, log, the two conditions are given and the column in which the value have to be entered depending upon the condition of the other columns and which value, that is salary value. Now suppose if I return as of now the employees, I know few other things are still need to be done that we have to give only few columns, but still I want to show you what is the output of this. Don't worry about the wrong answer, we will correct it. Now see, you have got the bonus of those rows where the condition was satisfied as equal to salary and other rows have bonus 0. Now what you do, what the column you have to return, you have to return only two columns which are employee underscore ID comma bonus. Done. Now we have removed another obstacle that we have to select only few columns, so that would be removed and see the answer is accepted. Okay. Now, though the answer is accepted, but still there was a condition that the return the result table ordered by employee ID. So I will just do sort underscore values. This is the condition that we use and which column by is equals to the column name. Uh, so if you write this, you will get the output sorted by employee ID in ascending order. So, okay. So I'm hopeful that you would have understood this question. Uh, we have used what you say, a function to add another column into the data frame, and then using log functionality of the data frame, we have tried to enter the value in that new column depending upon the few other condition on different columns, and then return the required number of columns by sorting it by employee ID column. So this was another a good example of how to operate things in pandas, how to enter the value conditionally in pandas. So it is a conditional row value insertion, you can call it this question, where the value is entered in a particular row depending upon the condition of different other columns in that row. So I will see you in my next video. Keep practicing, keep learning. Pandas it is interesting. Only some practice is required from your end. Okay, till then, goodbye.